Today we'll talk about how can you disable popular pins notifications on your Pinterest Lite app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go down, click on your photo down here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take us to next step here. Then you click here on bypass notifications here. So then it's going to take us to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So you come here to popular pins here, just clicking this sign that like you see here, so color it's gone. That's mean popular pins notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.